Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. To do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application, then you should tap Skip, then tap on three stripes here in the corner, go to its settings, then select Import. Then select the SIM card, because like today we're gonna transfer contacts from SIM card to our device. Here you can select which contacts you want to import, then just tap Import, and these three contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.